Welcome to this well-kept, all-brick, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-story home. This charming residence boasts new windows throughout, providing energy efficiency and an abundance of natural light. The roof, replaced in 2018, includes a 25-year warranty for your peace of mind. Additionally, the home features gutters with gutter guards, ensuring minimal maintenance. The metal fence backyard offers both security and privacy, and it includes a delightful blueberry bush, perfect for enjoying fresh berries. Combining classic construction with modern updates, this home is move-in ready and perfect for your next chapter.